difference.
Hey, I'm Maximus Arana, and in today's video, I'm going to unleash your inner self and unlock your inner confidence. Let's start with number 1, know your self-worth. If you're a person who doesn't know your own value and imagines that other people's needs are more than yours and they're more superior to you, then it is very easy to get pushed over and kill your confidence. Go inside yourself and find your inner value, your true worth. And let me tell you, you're an amazing person. You're going to crush it, you're going to achieve everything. Just believe in yourself and know that you're worth everything. Number 2, build yourself. That means build your character. Show people that you're important and they need to take you seriously. Do something good, take care of yourself, and that will make you feel much more better. Number 2, look good. I'm pretty sure you all have experienced this once. The experience, the feeling of looking your absolute best, wearing dapper clothes, having a perfect hair day, and just feel awesome about yourself. Well, duh, do it every single day. Dress well, style your hair, take care of your skin every single day, and I assure you, you will look much better and you'll feel much better about yourself, and that will skyrocket your confidence. And I've left no stone unturned in making videos about hair and fashion. They're all over the place, they're all over my channel, and you guys will benefit from that. So take care of yourself, look good every single day, and your confidence will skyrocket over the roof. Number 4, learn to say no. You can't just keep saying yes to people all the time, even if you're not comfortable with what the other person demands. If you keep pressing that yes button all the time, people will start taking you for granted and eventually take undue advantage of you. Learn to say no and make people respect your boundaries. Number 5, put yourself out there. If you're an introvert, you're reducing your chances by 50% of being your true confident self. Go out there, socialize, meet new people, make a name for yourself, and be the best version of yourself. That's it for today's video. Follow my Instagram, it's @Maximus_Arana. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more amazing content like this, and also turn the notifications bell on so that you do not miss out any video. And also leave a like before you depart. The topic of discussion for today's video is, are you an introvert or an extrovert? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Ciao.